In today's tutorial, we will be going over how to make a stackable section in your Phoenix template. A stackable section is a section that allows you to add more than one section type to a single page. For example, this is the home page that has a slideshow, a text page, an image divider, a slideshow, an image divider, a calendar, an image divider, and a form. First thing you'll want to do is log into your site's admin. Then you'll want to go to Content. In Content, you will want to go to Add Stackable Section. To add a section, you'll click a name and click Add Section. You will then see it listed under your stackable sections down here. Click into it. And here is where you can add any type you would like. So we are going to start with the slideshow. And here you'll see it appear over to your right. At first it is invisible, so you'll want to click the green button to make it visible. By default it's sorted by the date, so if you want to control that, you'll want to go by order number and save page options. Now I'm going to go back to one that's already created so that you can see what it looks like with a lot of different sections. So this is the page that we were just looking at. If you click into Home Slideshow, you will see that we have all our slideshows images set up right here. You can add more by either clicking this box or by just dragging and dropping files into there. You can also control the slideshow color, and if you choose not to have full-size slideshow images so that your images are not cropped, then this color will appear to the sides. You can also set color individually by images, and this will control it per image what color appears to the side. Now we're going to go back to home just to give you an idea. If you want to change the order, make sure it says order number, and then just drag and drop, and then make sure you click Save Order. You can also delete out a section from this stackable section. Another option is to move it out of the home stackable page so that it can be an individual page on your main menu. Once you have your stackable section with all the sections you want, you can go up to the structure settings, go to Edit Menu, and this is where you can add your stackable section onto your main menu. These are all the pages that you have created. So this is that test stackable section that we created earlier. So if we wanted to add that to the menu, we'd click it over to there. However, I do not want to add it to the menu, so I'm going to remove it. You can also drag and drop menu items to move them around or make them sub-menu items. This can have up to 3 levels deep on the menu system.